How to place a trade in Metatrader 5. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you the ways to place a trade in Metatrader 5. So to place a trade in Metatrader 5, you just have to follow the steps. First thing, go ahead and install the application and log into your account. When you're logged in, that's going to take you to the home page. Now, to be eligible to trade in Metatrader, you must have a verified account. Along with that, you must have certain amount of funds into your account. If you don't have a fund, you'll not be able to proceed on to the next step. So when you're logged in, you can see right at the bottom there are multiple tabs. So from there, you could go to charts, and as you press the charts icon, you can see this is how it's going to look like. So while you're on this page, you can tap the icon in the top left hand side, tap the icon in the top right hand side corner of your screen. As soon as you do that, you'll be able to find buy or sell option. So first thing, you need to enter the exact amount. So in my case, I'm going to go ahead and type in 0.010. And when you've actually done that, then you could go ahead and select the cursor, such as where do you want your spot trading to be and your assets to be. So you could just go ahead and drag the margins right just like this. When you've actually tapped on the margin button, or when you've actually adjusted the margin, then you could proceed on with either buy or sell. So I'm going to go with the buy button and press the buy button in order to confirm the transaction. So then when you've actually done with this procedure, next you need to go ahead and enter the payment source, like since you're buying the asset, and enter the exact amount or convert the asset. And you need to review the terms and conditions and the information as well, and you could confirm the trade. So that's how you can place a trade in Metatrader 5. That's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.